And the last thing is your knowledge of the market, your commitment. So I always ask a fun question, what's your exit strategy? And in most cases, if people have one, I say we shouldn't invest because you don't know if you're going to have an exit strategy. Oh, we're going to do an IPO in 2 years. Really? Let's see what the market looks like. Let's see if the company's ready. I like people who say problem, and I don't care how long it takes. And I love doing this because those are the people who will get the earliest opportunities to exit. And they may choose not to, but this can't be just about money. It has to be about people have to have a passion to say, we are going to change the world. We're going to solve this problem for people. We live with this problem and we don't like it. And that has to be the passion behind the company. And so most of our investments at Seven Wire are with people who have a reason to do
Mm,
what they do and people who had chronic pain and now they're going to solve that problem. People who have CD, they're going to solve that problem. People, who live with type 1 diabetes and,
mm.
they're going to solve that problem. And that's why 9 a.m. is winning. They're winning against people who are bigger than them, who have more money than them, because people feel that passion when they present and they know that market.